We make a stir fry holy basil with beef, ผัดกะเพราเนื้อ and that one ผัดไทย with chicken. Turn the gas off, please. You're good. You're good. See the leaf jacket. Some people like it dry. Some people like it juicy.
Okay.
Like me, for the beef, I like it hot and juicy.
Okay.
When you eat, you
And
need
the
to do it.
juicy is you leave it in there for longer, right?
Yeah, like juicy, also like the soft, more soft.
Oh,
You can
yeah,
add more.
yeah.
But this is your own style, and I need to try that. Put this down.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Look at that.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful, like a restaurant. You got one piece.
It's beautiful. You just said it's beautiful. I'm gonna put it in there. Try to take it real quick.
Nice to meet you. That's it. Go eat.
Oh, yum.
Look at that pad thai. Is it
It's
beautiful?
perfect.
Look at that. Wow. Bring papaya salad. Bring pad thai. And everything